Recall AI Review. Is this meeting software worth it? So Recall AI is a developer-centric platform providing a unified API to record, transcribe, and extract insights from meetings across Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, and even more. It's built for businesses and developers looking to embed meeting intelligence into applications, rather than end users wanting a polished UI dashboard. So its pros is it has a both free, seamless recording. It also has a cross-platform unified API. It also offers rich structured outputs. It also has a strong compliance and security, and it's trusted by leading teams. However, there are some cons to consider. It has no end-user interface, which means it is API only. It also has a technical setup required, and they have a variable platform compatibility, and even the pricing is not transparent. So, user feedback is limited as well. So in conclusion, if you're building a product that needs a seamless access to meeting data, recordings, transcripts, analytics, then Recall AI is definitely worth it. It's a reliable, scalable API powerhouse built to save engineering time and enhance meeting intelligence. However, if you're just looking for a full-featured meeting assistant app, then you can try other platforms.